This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix could not complete the command because the scratch disk are full issues in Photoshop. So whenever you try to open your Photoshop app and you see this error message, follow these quick steps to fix this issue. First of all, press Windows key and R and then type here %temp% and click on OK. And now here scroll down and search for Photoshop crashes. So all you have to need to solve this issue is permanently delete this Photoshop crashes folder. If you select this folder and right click on it, and now if you delete this folder won't delete permanently. It will be stored in your recycle bin. In order to delete this Photoshop crash folder permanently, you have to press Shift key and then press Delete key. Yes, that's how delete this Photoshop crashes folder permanently. Once it's deleted, relaunch your Photoshop and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.